Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing unboxings for my Beauteque monthly subscription. So I do have both subscriptions here in front of me. I have the beauty box. This is the one that has all the full-size K-beauty products, as well as their Mask Maven bag, which now comes in this super gorgeous holographic envelope. The bag itself is inside of here, but I just had to share the packaging for that because I thought it was too pretty not to. And I do want to give Beauteque a big thank you for sending these over to me to unbox on my channel. I know that you guys really enjoy these, and I'm so happy that you do because I really love K-beauty products and I'm always genuinely excited to see what is inside of these guys. So yeah, that being said, let's go ahead and dig right in. If you are new to my Beauteque unboxings, typically I unbox the subscriptions for the month prior. So these are actually both from the month of July. And I know we are technically already in September, which absolutely blows my mind. But at the end of the video, I am going to be giving you some like sneak peek info and telling you about the theme for September's box and the cutoff date if you do want to sign up for that. So definitely stick around towards the end for that information. So before we get into the subscriptions, I just want to share a couple of little cards they included this time around. This first one has like a little breakdown of their subscription service. So you can see they have the beauty box here, which has 6 full-sized K-beauty products, and then the Mask Maven, which has 9 different types of masks. And then the opposite side is their brand store, which I thought was such a special detail. Like, more companies should be doing this. This is so cute, and so it kind of gives like a little backstory behind the brand and how it was created. So yeah, I really love that. And they also did include a discount code for you guys, which is right there. I'll make sure to include it down below as well, but it's 25% off your first box if you use the code Pamela 25. I don't get any commission from this code whatsoever. I want to put that out there ahead of time. It's purely if you guys want to take advantage of 25% off your first box. So yeah, I thought that was really sweet of them to include. So I'm gonna jump into the Mask Maven bag first. Okay. So every month there is a theme, and for the month of July it was But First Brunch. I've seen one like this in the past where they did kind of like a skincare menu because it was like food oriented or themed or something like that. So it looks like they did a similar concept as that one, but this one says Brunch Menu here at the top. So you can see that they kind of broke it down by category. So they have oatmeal, drinks, omelet, down here, which is like a mixture of eggs and veggies. So that is just so cute. The last time I got one of their menu style foldouts like this, I just stuck it on my bathroom wall, and anything I was trying out, I could easily kind of look to it and just see what the benefits are and like how to use it and things like that. So I definitely feel like this is very helpful. Okay. So this first one is part of the drink menu, and it's the Skin Bonnie Wash Off Mask in green tea. So it says this is a nourishing mask that contains antioxidant-rich green tea powder and other extracts that will boost your skin's overall health. It's weird, I kind of thought it was going to be a strawberry mask because it's pink, but I guess it's infused with green tea. So the other one on the drink menu is this bubble tea mask, and I believe I got a strawberry and a green tea one in previous boxes, but this one is in the black tea, which honestly is the one I've been wanting to try out the most. So this is the Annie's Way Bubble Tea Black Tea Mask, and it says black tea is perfect for your brunch date. This mask is packed with antioxidants that protect your skin and fight signs of aging. I can't think of too many black tea masks that I've tried. I might be wrong about that. I probably have like 100 in my skincare drawer that I'm just not thinking of right now. But yeah, this one is extra special because obviously it comes in this cute like bubble tea packaging. I definitely should get some boba one day and just relax and try this on. So moving into the oatmeal portion, this is the natural oatmeal mask sheet by the company the Serum. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but yeah, this is essentially a really nourishing, hydrating mask. So of course, what is oatmeal without honey drizzled over top? So they did include some like honey type of products in the oatmeal section. So this one is by Candy O Lady. It's the Honey Milk Candy Mask. And what's interesting about this is that it's a sheet mask, but it's packaged in like this super slim packaging, which I think would actually make it really convenient for travel. Like if you want to keep it in your carry-on bag, it doesn't take up a lot of space like a bigger sheet mask. Yeah, I just thought that was kind of interesting. And then they have one more honey product, which is the Papa Recipe Bombi Black Honey Mask Pack. And this one just looks like a giant honey jar. It kind of reminds me of Winnie the Pooh. But yeah, this again is good for brightening your skin and making it look smooth. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the omelet. So there's a couple of egg masks. The first one is by Esfolio, and it's the Pure Skin Essence Mask Sheet in Egg. And this is supposed to help with extracting dirt as well as leave your skin looking really moist and revitalized. And then this other one is an egg white mask. This is by Cause W. It's the My Real Skin egg white mask, and it helps tighten pores and remove dirt trapped within. I remember as a kid putting egg whites, or I think my grandmother told me to put egg whites or egg yolk on my skin to help with scars. Like she read somewhere that it was really good for helping with lightening scars and things like that. So hopefully it's going to help with that as well. So lastly, to complete our omelet, we have a tomato mask. This is the Foodaholic Tomato Mask, and this is supposed to help with brightening your skin. And then finally, there's also this pomegranate mask, which I don't see here on the menu, but might be for like juicing, like I think of like fresh juice or mimosas when you're having a brunch. So yeah, this is a pomegranate mask that is good for adding moisture into the skin. So that's everything for the Mask Maven bag. And just to kind of give you guys an idea, the Mask Maven bag, if you go month to month, is $15 a month, but the value of everything inside, it comes out to about $30. Or if you prepay for a year, I believe it's $13 a month, which is an even better deal. Okay, next we're going to get into the beauty box, which of course this is the one that has all the full size items. And this box is $24 a month if you pay month to month, but the value of everything inside comes out to around $65. Or if you want to prepay for the entire year, it's $22 a month. So like the Mask Maven bag, it has the same theme, which is But First Brunch. And inside, this one says, this month's spread is a hearty assortment of K-beauty that will give your normal routine a wake-up call. This head-to-toe assortment is jam-packed with nourishing fruit and revitalizing coffee to help start your day off right. Treat yourself to this balanced beauty buffet. Okay, so this one has a brunch menu as well, and it has obviously like a breakdown of every product. It even shows you like the key ingredients and everything. So this is a really good, thorough breakdown of everything that's inside. Okay, so again, this is by the company, the Serum. It's their Perfume Body Lotion in Apricot. And this is supposed to be hydrating without feeling oily, which is super important to me in the hotter months. I hate anything that's like sticky and heavy on my skin, but I love the scent of apricot, and coincidentally it's not really a scent that I see a lot. I feel like I see peaches and creamy scents or like sugary scents a lot more frequently. I swear, I don't know anyone that struggles the way I do with opening things. Like the other day I probably spent 10 minutes trying to open salad dressing. It was really embarrassing. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and it smells amazing. It just has like a very true, fresh apricot smell. And please excuse the little like bug bites that I have. I live in Texas. It just comes with the territory. Oh my God, it smells so good. And it is very, very lightweight. The next thing is this Urban City Red Lip Tone Tint. And this is by the company Babafat. Is there, if you guys want to see the name of it. And it says that this is a non-smear lip tint that will last through eating brunch and longer still. It contains plant extracts helping hydrate the lips, and the best part is that it smells like apples. I feel like it's coming out a lot more red on camera, but it almost looks like a spicy mid-tone red. And you can see the little top of it has like a little leaf. So it has this tiny little mini doe foot, which is super cute. Okay, so this is just like a lightweight type of lip tint, but it's a very vibrant color. It is more of like I said, like a spicy red type of shade. It's not like a bright, obnoxious red. It looks actually very wearable, and the color is vivid enough where you don't really need a lot to build it up. And even with blending it out, I can see that it's actually staying in place pretty well from where I originally swatched it. So this one I'm actually very excited about. I was just looking at ordering this on Beauteque's website, but I'm very pleasantly surprised to see that it was included in this box. And this is the Sandapin. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but there's the company name. It's the My Honey Clean Sponge Cookie. So this is supposed to help remove makeup and dirt hidden in your pores without irritating your skin. And the way that you use it is just to wet it with warm water and gently rub your face to remove makeup. It says that you can use it with your favorite cleanser, or a cleanser is just not necessary at all. Yeah, I've never tried this type of makeup remover. Like, I know there's that one towel out there, I forget the name of it, that's supposed to remove all your makeup, and I hear a lot of people have good results with that. So maybe I will share this in a future video where I test out more K-beauty products. I just did a video like that where I tested out a bunch of different things. If you haven't checked it out, I'll link it down below, but maybe I will test this guy out in the next one. This mask obviously is for the coffee category. It's the Skin 17 Tea Cafe Latte 3-step mask. So the way the mask is designed is that you have the sheet mask here, which is the coffee, you have this ampule, which is the cream, and then the ice is a no sebum tightening essence. So step 1 is specifically for your T-zone, step 2 is supposed to be for your jawline, and then the mask itself is pretty much obviously for all over your face, which is such a cool concept. So it's kind of like all the ingredients you would use for an iced coffee, but each one targets a different thing for your skin. This next one is by the company Serum. It's the Perfect Solution Serum, and you do get either one of these. A lot of times with the Beauteque boxes, they'll have like a variety of different things, and they'll kind of randomly choose which version to send to you. So I'm gonna open this up and see what version I got. Okay, so according to the picture, it looks like I got the vitamin B3 one, which I'm very excited about because the other one was a hyaluronic acid one, which I love, but I feel like I have a lot of hyaluronic acid products, but I can't think of too many vitamin B3 products that I have, so I'm very excited to see what this does for my skin. And obviously it comes in this really cool syringe type of packaging. Now the way that you use this is you kind of just use it like you would a syringe and pump the product out onto your hand and rub it into your skin. And it is designed to be used 5 different times, so you can see that you pretty much just push the product out till it meets the coordinating number. The final product in here is this giant hair serum. It's by the company Miss and Sen. There it is at the top. It's their Perfect Repair Hair Treatment Serum, and it contains oils that leave hair looking smooth and smelling great. It works wonders on dry or damaged hair. This is so perfect for me right now because I got my hair colored, I want to say a few months ago. It was right before our trip to Europe, and my hair definitely is a lot drier than it used to be. I give it a cold rinse every day, and I do put a serum through it, but that is fastly running low because I use so much of it. So now I can try this guy out. So this is actually more of like a creamy type of serum. It's not like anything like a true oil, which I'm really interested in because a lot of more oily serums tend to make my scalp look oily. So this looks definitely a little bit more nourishing and creamy for the hair. But that is pretty much it for these unboxings. I was really happy with the theme. I think it came together really, really well. Now, if you're curious about the theme for September, it is going to be back to self-care, which I can only imagine is just going to be filled with a ton of different pampering products and things just to give yourself some self-love, which is super important this time of year because for a lot of us, we're going back to school and kind of gearing up for the holiday season, which I'm sure will be here before we know it. So, you know, it's important to check in with yourself a little bit and give yourself some pampering. So if you're curious about signing up for that, the final cutoff date is going to be September 15th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I do believe that Beauteque has already released some sneak peeks of products that are going to be included for September's subscription, so definitely check those out. And of course, don't forget, if you want to save 25%, they offered this code, which is Pamela25. That way you can save some money on your first box. So that is it, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.